Now we are going to learn circuit diagram, how to draw a circuit diagram. And what is a circuit diagram? Well, a circuit diagram is a diagram which shows the arrangement of various electrical components in an electric circuit. The components that we use in an electric circuit, the arrangement of those components can be shown through a circuit diagram. Okay, so let us see this one. Wire. What are the components of a circuit? Wire, bulb, switch, battery. Battery is what? Arrangement of cell. I can show you how we can arrange cells and it becomes battery. Look, this is a single cell. This is the positive terminal. This end is called positive terminal. This end is called negative terminal. And when we join this cell with another cell, this arrangement will show a combination of battery. So positive terminal can be joined with negative terminal and so on, and then it should be connected with a conducting wire. Then a circuit can be we can make a circuit by joining both terminals with wire, then bulb. Okay, so basically one edge cell, when we join more than one, then it becomes battery. Okay, so in a circuit diagram, when we switch, when the switch is not, when the switch is off, that means open circuit. Switch off means open circuit and bulb will not glow. So this is the actual arrangement of the components of a circuit. What we have to take: a bulb, conducting wire, then cells, arrangement of cells, that is battery, and switch. This is called switch off position, and when switch is off, then the circuit becomes open, and due to which we can't glow the bulb. Now next condition. In next condition, same things, the same components of circuit are there, only switch is on. Switch is on means closed circuit, and in a closed circuit the bulb will glow. Okay, so this is the actual combination of actual condition, how we can arrange the different components of a circuit. What are these? Wire, bulb, battery, switch. So this is switch is on here. When switch is on, then that kind of arrangement of circuit is called closed circuit. Okay, so in closed circuit bulb can glow. So this is the circuit diagram that can be drawn, and this is the actual arrangement of the components of a circuit. This is the actual arrangement. Collection of cell, battery, switch. Switch is on here. Then wire is connected with bulb. Bulb will glow because switch is on. And this actual arrangement can be drawn in this way. This is called circuit diagram. Closed circuit, switch is on and bulb will glow. So what is the factor? How? What is there due to which a bulb can glow after switching on? Well, there is potential difference between the two terminals, two sides of a circuit. So positive terminal is having more potential with comparison to the negative terminal, due to which electrons will flow from the positive terminal towards the negative terminal, and due to the flow of charges, electricity is produced. Current, due to the flow of charges, bulb will glow. So what is this all about? This all is about due to the potential difference between the two terminals of a cell. The positive terminal is having more potential than negative terminal. Okay. Now a bulb can glow due to a wire that is found in the bulb. What is that wire? That is tungsten wire. And tungsten wire is basically resist electricity. It try to resist electricity. It try to stop, try to minimize the flow of electricity, flow of electric current through this, due to which the tungsten wire results in due to which tungsten wire glows, and it results in like bulb can glow and heat and light energy is produced. So this is the heat and light energy can be produced due to the resistance that is shown, that is that is found in tungsten wire. So tungsten wire resists electricity and it glows. In this way a bulb can glow. Okay, now you look at the screen.